We're experiencing a market correction, and with great volatility comes great opportunity. So if you think you know which sector is going to outperform, what's the best way to take advantage and how should you invest? Let's take a look. You can't predict the next winner with 100% accuracy. If you take a one-way speculation where you put all of your money into one sector or one industry, such as, for example, tech stocks or Bitcoin, you see now the risk that that strategy has, because if you're wrong, you risk blowing up your life savings and blowing up your account. Let's bring a chart by Refinitiv dated May 13th, 2021. It shows a 10-year period, and it shows the different sectors S&P 500 rank highest at the top to lowest down below. Each sector is denoted by a different color, and you'll note that the chart looks pretty random, doesn't it? This makes sense because it's very hard to predict which sector is going to outperform because nobody actually knows. It has a very random way of occurring through time. You can't predict outperformance, but you can definitely have a pretty good idea of where you think the economy may be going, and you can still seize the opportunity by overweighting that sector a little bit. You're taking a calculated risk. Talking about diversification and how it protects your portfolio is boring, I get it. But you know what's not boring? Making money and keeping it over the long run. And working with a wealth advisor definitely helps. I'm Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.